I cannot wait to have my own space. What? Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Amara, and yeah, this is my little corner in the world where I get to share things that I love, ranging from lifestyle to food to hair to skincare to just luxurious living as a woman. I hope this video meets you well. So in today's video, we are really going to focus on how to make your living area feminine. This is something I have always been interested in. I mean, when I wasn't really making enough money, I had to just accept what I was given by my parents, because I mean, they are your parents. You know, like they are your parents. This is what they can afford to give you. But as I began to grow into adulthood, into womanhood, I discovered that it was necessary for me to make my living area feminine, just to reflect myself. Something I used to say then is I hate clutter. Like, I hated clutter, and thinking of ways to set things where they should be and just have a sweet living area is something I have always wanted to do. Like, I can't wait to get my own space, guys, and maybe I'll get it when I get married, or even if you're in your parents' house. As long as you have cheddar, as long as you have cheese, you can be able to make your living area feminine without spending so much. So let's get right into this video. Oh, sorry, come back. Before we get right into the video, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if this is the sort of content that you are into, and don't forget to subscribe. Like, I mean, more than 80% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Join the family, subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's get right into this video. Yes, we are going to begin with the first thing on the list, and it is flowers. One thing I appreciate my parents for is this is something they have always loved. Round our sitting area, there are flowers. I don't know if it was my mom or my dad that, decided on that idea, but I love flowers. In Nigeria, you can't get fresh flowers though, so I'm jealous of you guys that are abroad that can get fresh flowers. You can't get fresh flowers here. Even if you can get it, it's quite expensive. So if you're in Nigeria or any African country where fresh flowers are not easily accessible, you can get nice artificial flowers to just give your area, your living area, be it your sitting room or your bedroom, a hint of femininity or feminine aura, right? So flowers, definitely one of the things that you should look into getting to make your living area feminine. Now, the second thing is the color of paint you use in your living area. See, let me tell you something. When I was saying, oh, I can't wait to get my place, I always thought I'm going to paint my living area with either gray or white. No, gray or black. Gray, black, and white. But the truth of the matter is, especially that black, I think is a little bit too strong. I think you can go with gray, but you can soften it up with like royal blue. Pastel colors as well really make a living area look feminine. I love white. White is my color. My room is white. The only thing I'm just worried about is maybe when I have kids, they'll mess it up. Maybe if I move to my husband's place. But I love white. I love pastel colors, and pastel colors, especially sky blue or purple. I think that is it lilac, but pastel purple also makes your living area feel feminine and gives it that feminine touch. So you should look into getting pastel colors. The next thing on my list is getting wall art. I love wall art so much. I think maybe because my dad has always been interested in artworks, so I love wall art so much. You can get a decal like what I have in my room. I don't know, maybe I'll put a screenshot of what I have in my room. And even if you don't want to get a decal, you can actually get paintings or drawings. Like, I heard that these Chinese floral drawings usually make just gives a feminine aura into your living area. So you can look at getting Chinese feminine drawings, or any drawings that would just make feminine drawings, please, not a horse or a dog or something weird, right? But something that can exude like feminine energy and just femininity generally, calm energy. Like anytime, in fact, art that I am like drawn to are arts that come or that are painted that you can have this aura of, or you can actually feel serene energy coming from, exuding from the art. Those are the kind of art I like, and I think those are the kind of art you should buy. So wall art would definitely make your living space feminine, or feel or look feminine. Now to my favorite thing. The next thing on my list is candles. Yes, yes, yes. In as much as your house is going to look feminine, it has to smell feminine. So scented candles, chef's kiss, chef's kiss. All right, scented candles will make your living area scent feminine. I like to burn my scented candles either early in the morning or late at night. I also love to use my diffuser, and when I'm using it, I try to select fragrances that are not choking, that are just calm and just makes you relax basically. So these two things, either a scented candle or a diffuser, chef's kiss. You also need to get one if you don't have one yet, and these things are not so expensive, right? The next thing on my list, and I think, is it the last? Yes, the next thing on my list, and the last thing on my list, is dainty furniture. I say furniture. Dainty furniture. Now, dainty furniture can range from, these nice fancy mirrors to little sculptures and just little artworks that can just give your living area some sort of what's the word now, some sort of texture, right? So you put these things here and there to just give your area some sort of texture. I feel like it just gives your room character, gives your living area character. Does that make sense? Some people, and this thing goes in themes. Some people decide, oh, they want sort of like an African theme. Some people will decide, oh, they want more of like a woman power sort of like theme. It all depends on the kind of dainty furniture you want. Some people want that European style theme, and you can see like books, all these fashion books, and then like a flat table, and then all these little cups. It all depends on the type of style you want, but dainty furniture definitely gives your living area that character, that oomph, that texture of, just gives it character. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So these are the 5 things that I have jotted down. Like, I cannot wait to have my own space. What? I can't wait to have my own space and also infuse all of these ideas that I've shared with you in my own reality. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Before I even go, if you enjoy content like this, if you enjoyed this content, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next one, bye.